or welcome back to the Jenisha the Explorer channel. Hope you're all doing great. So yesterday, that is 15th April, was Bengali New Year. We had a blast with food, fun, friends, music and so many more things. And another thing I did yesterday was making my DIY DJ light set. So do you want to know how I made it? Yes? Then do stay tuned till the end of this video because I will be showing you how to make a DIY DJ light set at home. So first let's get to know our parts. This is the power battery. These two are the lights which will turn on. This is a microprocessor. And this is a sound sensor. So now that we know what we will be using during making this set, let's start building. So first take the sound sensor. The sound sensor has 3 pins, VCC, ground and output. I have already explained them in detail in my last video. Hope you have watched it. If you haven't yet, then please watch it by clicking on the I button on the upper right corner of the video or by clicking on the link in the description box below. So first you take the VCC pin and on the microprocessor connect it in the VCC button. After that, take the ground pin and connect it in that part. Like this. And at last, take the output pin and connect it in the output pin. Like this. Next, take a light and then connect it to the output socket of the microprocessor. Like this. And do the same thing with the other light. Like this. And at last, connect the microprocessor to the battery power. And now our circuit is complete. Let's see the DJ light. So here, when I turn on the power battery, the lights and the sensor get the power. And when I'm making some sound in front of the sound sensor, the signal travels through the microprocessor which sends the signal through the lights. And hence the light receives the signal and then switches on. Now let's see it in action. I will first power on the battery and then start clapping in front of the sound sensor. Yep, it's working. And now I will play some music. DIY DJ light system. So I hope you enjoyed my DIY DJ light system and also understood how it works. If you like this video, then don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button. Please share this video with your friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Bye.